Armed with a goal to re-enter and compete in the local mobile phone arena, TCL Philippines sealed its partnership with VSTX Philippines Incorporated, one of the leading IT distribution companies in the country, to bring a new wave and vast range of affordable TCL smartphones, tablets, and audio devices to the Filipino market. The appointment ceremony of the latter, as the former's official and exclusive distributor of mobile products in the Philippines, took place on April 15th during the virtual TCL Mobile Media Briefing, attended by both companies' executive management and media partners. Through this partnership, Filipino consumers can avail TCL smartphones and other peripheral products, including tablets and wireless earbuds, in all accredited and authorized VSTX stores nationwide, starting April 2021.